Hey everyone, I am your name, and like most people, I used to feel overwhelmed with my life. Emails, appointments, random ideas everywhere. But that all changed when I let AI take over. Today I'll share 5 real AI tools I personally use to organize my life, and how you can use them too. Quick tour, real workflows, and simple steps. Let's dive in. Notion AI has become my second brain. I use it to collect all my ideas, take meeting notes, plan projects, and even journal daily. It doesn't just store information, it summarizes, creates templates, and helps me think better. One click and I have a repeatable system ready. My notes turn into tasks with deadlines without me lifting a finger. Everything stays in sync across devices, so I never lose context. Daily journaling feels effortless when AI nudges me with the right prompts. If your mind feels cluttered, start here. My week used to be chaos. Motion AI changed that. I just added my tasks and it automatically scheduled my entire week intelligently. Balancing work, meetings, breaks, and even personal time. It feels like having a personal assistant that understands priorities better than I do. When something shifts, the schedule updates instantly. Breaks and buffers are baked in, so I don't stack myself to burnout. I get gentle nudges that keep me on track without the anxiety. By Sunday night, I already know my week makes sense. The more honest you are with tasks and time, the better it works. Whenever I feel stuck, need clarity, or want to turn thoughts into real plans, I chat with ChatGPT, from writing emails faster to brainstorming content ideas. ChatGPT cuts my thinking time in half. It's not just an AI, it's like talking to a mastermind. I iterate quickly until it fits my voice and timeline. It summarizes research so I can make decisions faster. I keep a small prompt library for repeat tasks, small tweaks, big payoff. Reclaim takes all my calendars, work, personal, even workout time, and syncs them into a balanced schedule. It makes sure I'm productive and living a life. Protected focus time stops my day from getting hijacked. Personal time is treated with the same respect as work. If plans change, it adapts without me micromanaging. No more burnout, just smart automation. Whether I'm at my desk or on the go, the plan holds. Put your life on the calendar, then let work adapt. This video you're watching right now was made using InVideo AI. I write my ideas, select a style, and the video comes to life fast. For content creators, this is pure power. I can preview voiceovers, pacing, and visuals in minutes. Tweaks are quick. Swap shots, adjust captions, and publish. From idea to finished video without the overwhelm. Templates turn one-time wins into systems. AI doesn't replace us, it frees us. From planning to thinking to creating, it's like having your own digital team. Try these tools, even just one, and watch your productivity transform. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly AI productivity tips. See you next week.